Here is a quick video of the setup for the lab. First you have your limiting reactant here and your excess. So what you would do is you take a tray, you tear the scale, and then you would measure out 15 grams of your limiting reactant. You'd use a spatula to take it out, and then after that, you'd come and you take your excess, and it should be slightly more than 15 grams, say it's 16 or 17. You don't really need to be accurate since it's excess anyways. And then what you would do is you would take your limiting reactant, you'd come and put around 75 milliliters of water, and since it's approximation, you can use the large lines here, and you don't need to use a graduated cylinder. So you put about 75, and then you take the copper sulfate, which would be in here, and you put it in and you dilute it. And then what you would do is you would take the excess and slowly put it in and steer it with a steering rod or a spatula. So you would steer it until you fully reacted everything. And then after, you'd have your solution here. So you'd come to the filter and you'd pour it in. Ideally you'd have a larger filter, this one's a bit small. And then you'd wait for it all to filter out. It would come through, and then you'd have the water gone out here. So then here you would take the filter out, you would put it on a watch glass such as this one, and then you would set it down to dry over a period of around 2 days, and then you would have your mass. But also you'd have to be careful to measure the mass of your filter so you could subtract it at the end. Thank you.